Hello, my name is Dr Ejikeme and welcome to Adonia Medical Clinic. I want to talk to you about an exciting new treatment, the Adonia Aquagold Cocktail Facial. Now, in this treatment, what I do is I create a customized cocktail for you. In here, I place our signature treatments. So that includes vitamins, and they're unique to you, whether it's pigmentation, acne, tightening your pores. I add that element in here. Then I add something like botulinum toxin. Now what that does is to tighten your pores. Finally, we can add in hyaluronic acid to boost the skin. All of this is added into this. Now the key difference here is rather than microneedling, these 18-karat gold needles are hollow, so I can place our mixture directly into the skin. Just like that, and I'm actually doing it to myself and it's very, very comfortable. After that, you'll notice a glow to your skin. Now, what can you expect? You can expect to be a little bit pink afterwards, but it doesn't last very long. After that, you'll notice tightening of your pores and plumping of your skin. Now, this is a great treatment to do before a big event, like a wedding or a birthday, and you can do this about a week before that. Other conditions such as acne scarring, hair loss, and open pores you can do at any time. So this is an amazing new treatment that I'm so excited about. Now to learn more about this and other treatments at the clinic, go to adoniamedicalclinic.co.uk. You can see before and afters, read reviews, and I look forward to seeing you very soon. Bye-bye.